And welcome to Somo. Today we'll be looking at Google Spreadsheets. Google Spreadsheets is where we shall be working with. For example, if you need to do some computations, maybe you need to calculate the total number of staff, you need to calculate how much you're paying your staff in an Excel and have that information visible for anyone to see and be able to present it in a very professional manner. This is where you shall be doing. For example, if you have worked with a financial projection template, you remember that template is based on Google Spreadsheets. Google Spreadsheets is similar to Microsoft Excel. The only difference is that this one is based online. It is automatically saved and you can access it anywhere in the world for as long as you have access to your email. So we are going to create a new Google Spreadsheet by clicking on New, and then you go to Google Sheets and it will open a blank untitled spreadsheet. This is a blank untitled spreadsheet which now you'll need to fill in information about. But first things first, let us just create a title to the spreadsheet after it loads. You can just put any title. For example, we can say this spreadsheet is to do with inventory, for example. So after it loads, you can say this spreadsheet is for inventory. So after you do that, now you have put the title. Now is a point in the spreadsheet. At any point, you're working in a cell. And then a cell can be laying, you can see when you select a cell, 2 points are highlighted. This and this is highlighted. Now, this, whatever I have highlighted here, is called a column. A column is the vertical ni ile inashuka, the vertical detail on the spreadsheet. So when you click on it, you have clicked on a column. So it is column B, column D, column E. Now how to identify columns is very easy. A column is named in alphabets. A column is named in alphabet. So you have column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, that way. And then we have rows. Rows are named in numbers. A row is named in numbers. So we have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. All these are rows. A row can be as many as you want. You can have as many columns as you want. You can have as many rows as you want. And then a cell lies between a row and a column. That is how Google Spreadsheets operate. So a cell, you can say this is cell B3 because it is in column B and row 3. So this is cell B3. Cell B3 lies in column B and row 3. That is how we read a cell and name a cell. Now, to create any information, you just quickly type in anything. So here we say that this is inventory, so we can say the name, and then we can say the price. So we can say we have mandazi and the cost is 5 shillings. We have chapati and the cost is 10 shillings. So we are creating an inventory list, and you can see that this list is very presentable and very official, or you can use it in any presentation whatsoever when you're going to do your computation, because you can be able to know how much, what is the total of these two. You can be able to calculate that. What is the total of your sales and everything else that follows. We also have tabs here, or you can call them sheets. It can be as many sheets as you want. There's sheet 1. You can create a sheet 2. You can create another sheet, sheet 3. All these will have different information and they can hold as many as you want. That is Google Sheets for you. If you have any document that you'll need to create that will need to go to Google Sheets, remember it's very easy. You just go to your Google Drive, click on New, click on Google Sheets, and you'll open a new sheet and be able to work on it. The same way with Google Docs, remember it automatically saves after you have finished with the document. So you realize that that document you have just created is here with us at any point. So you can see inventory is here. Once we have closed, the inventory is here, and when we double click on it, it will open and take us back to where we were the last time, where we keyed in the prices of those two things. So it's very automatic and you can always find it at any point. That is Google Sheets for you. See you in the next video.